And meteorologist and weather prognosticator Chad Merrill with a look at the weather forecast through the first day in November. A couple of items to note. We have a full moon on the 31st. We had a full moon on the 1st as well. So one of those rare months where we get the treat of having 2 full moons. This is the Hunter's Moon. On Halloween night, don't forget, turn your analog clocks back 1 hour before you go to bed. We get that extra hour of sleep. That means the sun will rise 1 hour earlier, but also set 1 hour earlier in the evening. The Eastern Pacific Oscillation trending in a positive direction. So while we have a couple of cold shots coming down the pike, they will be very, very brief in nature through the first part of November. Significant weather will occur Thursday and Friday. We are looking for a storm system to team up with the moisture from Zeta, which will be in the news this week, making landfall Wednesday along the central Gulf Coast. That moisture moves into the Mid-Atlantic, brings us rain and wind, peak gust 35 to 45 miles per hour. Cold weather behind it just for 1 or 2 days. The killing frost of the season between the Blue Ridge and I-95 will occur on October 31st, Halloween Day. There will be a frost along and west of the Blue Ridge Mountains, but the growing season has already ended in that area. We are looking for an appreciable rain event that will help the drought a bit across north central Pennsylvania with 1 to 1.5 inches of rain. And we are looking for 1.5 to 2 inches of rain across the southern part of the Mid-Atlantic. That falling just before we get into the weekend. So for Bishop's running events on Saturday, October 31st, the spooky 5K, 10K, and 1 miler in Fredericksburg at Old Mill Park, it will be chilly at the starting line. Calm winds, temperatures in the mid-30s, lower 40s to round out the weather at the end of that race. Also, the Devil's Halloween races on Saturday the 31st in Chesterfield, Virginia. Mostly sunny, upper 30s at the start of the race. At the end of the race, temperatures in the lower 40s. Spectacular weather continues on Sunday the 1st for the Semper 5K, and half marathon, as well as a full marathon. We are looking for temperatures in the upper 30s in Georgetown at the start of the race, mid-50s at the end of the full marathon. Which retailers are selling the Hagerstown Town & Country Almanack? Just go to our website, almanack.com, for the details. Have a great week.